Guys, it's been a long time since I haven't started a vlog in my car. I'm home. I know I started my vlog yesterday, but by the time it hit 4 o'clock, it was very dark and I got home like at 6. So today's November 15, it's a Thursday, and I am going to work out right now. I have my long coat on because it is so cold, and it's actually supposed to snow today. So that will be pretty interesting. I'm on my way to go pick up my boyfriend. I'm gonna go ship something, and then we're gonna go work out, which should be interesting because it's been a while. So I'll see you guys there. Maybe I'll record what I'm doing for the workout depending on how many people. Oh, I already put this on. Depending on how many people are there, because I'm too shy. The first snowfall of Jersey.
Yes.
Look at that. I don't think they can see it too well, but it's snowing a lot. Hi, Web. Let's finish working out. This feels like the workout because I'm putting my arm up. We did shoulders today. Shoulders. And then I did like the ab part, and he was dying, and I was like, but yeah, we just printed some stuff out, and now we're gonna go outside even though he has shorts on. Oh, no. Or we're gonna get a meal in. You're gonna have a protein smoothie. Gonna have some
rice
beans.
And beans.
Rice and beans.
You're probably gonna have.
Yeah. So let's just go because I'm hungry.
Yeah,
hungry. Hungry. Say it again.
Oh.
Hungry. What?
Let me get this for the kitchen.
No, that's ugly.
I like it.
The flowers are nice. Guys, look how cool this place is. We have like a little meeting area here, and then you got some couches, some other cozy place, and then a pool table that we might come later to because it's so ugly outside. So like we're not gonna walk or do anything. And then there's a computer room where we just were, and then a gym. Come babe, let's go. This is how like when the building was made. So cool. How they made a time lapse.
Might come out a little weird.
I don't care. The snow started an hour ago. I'm heating up the car right now because it is insane. So sorry for the noise, but I'm gonna try to warm this up so that it can actually melt. And if you look at the back of the car, it's just stuck there. There's so much snow. I just noticed, even though I was just walking outside, I think the bus got in an accident because there's a cop right there. Oh no, that's so scary.
Let's stop.
What?
There's a bus up there. I think he's scared to go up it.
Guys, we are stressed. We feel like we're in California. I've never been. Because there's a bus back there, and now there's a bus here. Honestly, this guy just got out of the car. He's like, peace out. I might as well just walk.
He's like, fuck it, I'm out.
Wow. But it's bad. I feel like there's already like an inch already, right? An inch?
It might be an inch and a half too.
But we're just stuck here, and they wouldn't let me take the turn to go back home, so I had to take this way, and now nobody's moving.
Yeah. Ugh. The biggest problem right now is that I'm hungry.
You had a protein smoothie. I had
probably
nothing.
hungry.
I had two pastelitos, and then coffee, and then I shat it. Not like shat, like I went to the bathroom and pooped it all out 2 minutes after. So I'm pretty empty. Okay, we'll update you guys. Wait, right now it is 3:44.
Let's update them when we start eating.
It is. Oh my god. Hello, can you focus to me? Oh, I can touch the screen. I forget this is touch screen. Okay, it is 3:44. Oh my god, I'm so bad at this.
It's 3:44.
3:44. We've been here for like 5 minutes at least, so we'll update you when we start moving. When we start moving and when we get home. Update? We're moving. Babe, what time is it?
4:06.
Woo! 20 minutes later.
Hopefully not.
I feel like we're doing like a news thing, like an update.
Yeah.
You guys saw it here last. Just got home, and it is really bad out there. So I'm probably not gonna end up doing much today, but we just got to my place and
Waiting on.
What? Hola, abuela.
Ay, qué linda yo.
I have some boiled eggs for me, some rice, some fried sweet potato, I'm gonna take one actually. Some beans. And then, este puerco. Go. Cerdo. Some meat. Hey guys, good morning. Today is gonna be kind of a long day. I'm gonna go to Target, Home Goods, just find some pieces for my house. But yesterday I ended the vlog quite early after I came home from being stuck in the snow for so long. And then I did go to like the sauna, I played some pool, but it was just so dark that it wasn't like worth filming. But yesterday when I went to the sauna with my boyfriend's mom, and she gave me a big bag, let's just say, of things that she doesn't want anymore. So I want to show you guys some of the things. The first thing that I was like really shocked that I actually liked was this jacket. It's so bright. It's pink, which is my least favorite color, but it is actually really cute, and I feel like if I style it right, I'm sorry, I'm wearing like my PJs under this. If I style it right, this can look very fashion forward, and I don't know, I just really like it. Plus I'm going on a ski trip in December, and I feel like this would be perfect to put either under my ski jacket, if I can even do that. I've never been skiing, so we'll see. But I'm really excited about this one. It's like a really bright color for this very dull and dark and cold season. So the next thing, I actually had these in black. These are some Zara joggers. I have this one in black. It has a lot of lint on it, so that's why I stopped wearing them, but these look like they don't even have lint. So she gave me one in gray and one in white, and these are just some very nice sweats, like ones that you can actually go out in and look presentable. So these are really comfortable. Because I had the black one, I know that I already like these. Then she gave me some workout clothes. The only time that I really experiment with different patterns and colors is when I work out. So I actually wore the pink one yesterday. This is just a workout top, and these are just some leggings. And I also wore the black leggings yesterday. The next two things are more for the spring or the summer, and this is a skirt. It's a little short, so we'll see how this does when I actually wear it in the summer. And then some, are these shorts? Yeah, some white shorts. That'll be really nice for the spring with like a nice pastel top. And then these are actually just crop jeans. They go to like your mid-calf, and I've been really actually liking these kind of pants. The last two things, I actually haven't looked at these myself. I only looked at the vest and the workout clothes. So these last two, I'm like, I feel like I'm unboxing or just showing you guys at the same time that I'm seeing it. And these are some jeans. Ooh. They do have this pattern in the back that's very glossy. So if I end up wearing these, I feel like I would end up wearing them with like a longer sweater or a shirt that's long that covers that, because I'm not the biggest fan of having a lot of designs on the back pocket. And then the last one is these. I feel like she actually gave me pants like these before. It is so dark. These are actually blue. I don't know why the camera. There you go. These are just blue jeans. So yes, I'll be using all of these goodies, all of these clothes all the time, because I feel like every time I wear something, it's either with my mom's or his mom's. So thank you so much for the clothes. As you guys can see, some of them fell when I was showing you guys, but I'm definitely gonna wear all of these. I am so excited, especially for this one, because I never wear color and it just looks, I don't know, I just like it for some reason. Quick after the day before I head out, I have this baseball cap from Target. It's like literally the only one that looks okay on my head. Then I have this mock neck from Shein that I actually bought for my fall haul that I already uploaded a while ago. And then I also have these J brand jeans that I just showed you guys from my little early Christmas gift unboxing. So that is my outfit of the day. For shoes, I still haven't worn my shoes because I'm still indoors and I don't wear my shoes inside, but I will be wearing my Nike Prestos. For lip, I am wearing this Dusty Rose lip. It's very, very fall appropriate. I usually go for lighter nudes, but I went for the Honest Beauty Marsala crayon lipstick. Lip pencil lipstick, I don't know. And I really like how it looks with like a very simple shimmery eye. So that's my look for today. We're gonna head out to Target soon. So that's definitely gonna be the first first stop, not first top. And hopefully I just find some things. I really want to get a Christmas tree, so it'll be really nice to have like a sneak peek of the ones that they have there. Currently at TJ Maxx. Ve, camina. And they have so many Christmas decor. I actually already picked up these balls. They're only $15 for all of these, and this is the theme I'm going for. And then also these. But they have so much and it's so pretty. ¿Te gustan?
White, ¿tú quieres white?
I like white.
Sí, está bien.
I want stuffers. Pero no sé si este tipo de... I don't know if I want this kind of quilt. Alright, Mom, just leave me to vlog alone.